Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to prove that a plus b equal to 90 degree where given is tan A equal to cot B. So let's write first given. The given is tan A equal to cot B. Now here after a plus b equal to 90. So now I'm going to include tan on the both side. So here including tan a plus b and tan 90. Now I'm going to break this tan a plus b on the formula basis. So here writing tan a plus tan b. Now 1 minus tan a tan b. Now here the value of tan 90 degree infinity. Okay, so how do we calculate? So we can break sin 90 into cos 90. Thereafter sin 90 value is 1, cos 90 value is 0. So it become infinity. Now here after, so here given is tan equal to cot B. So here we can write this one cot B all that I'm going to change in the B form. Now 1 minus here tan A, we can write cot B, here tan B. Now this infinity, so here tan B into cot B, the value is 1, or we can write here tan B equal to 1 by cot B. So here in place of this we can write cot B plus tan B, and here this value is now 1 minus this value is 1, and here infinity. Now we can write here cot B plus tan B, and 1 minus 1, the value is 0. So anything we can divide with the 0, we can write anything we can divide with 0, the value come infinity. Okay, so this thing you can write or leave it. So here this value is now that come infinity, here this also infinity, so infinity equal to infinity. So we can write here LHS equal to RHS. It's proved. So this is the important question that asked on matriculation 10th examination. So here only the main purpose of this question is to know about tan A plus B formula. Thereafter you need to know about the tan 90 degree values. If you know infinity, it's okay. If you don't know, then break into sin and cos. After that, here sin 90 value is 1, cos 90 is the 0. Okay, so here it become infinity, or anything divided with 0, that become infinity. So this is the way we can prove this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.